Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from Simmons Essentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the gold standard knot. Let's go ahead and get started. Left side at the belt line as usual. Come over, we're going to put in a dimple and bring it over to the center. And we're going to come around like this and up and over like this. And there you have it. So, we're going to come around like this. We're going to come up and over like this. And then I'm going to come through here like this, create this loop, and then I'm going to leave this a little open like that. Then I'm going to come around like so and leave this open, and I'm going to leave it open like that. Now let me put my collar down. Again, guys, you can see this the picture of this on my Instagram at SimmonsEssentials. Let me put the collar down here. I have to tuck that under there. Now let me adjust it a little bit. Kind of have that right there. That's what I'm looking for. There's my tie clip. I was looking for that earlier. Here we have this. So there you go, guys, the gold standard. So again, on your time, my friends, your favorite one to made. We'll see you in the next video.